It's not often that I get to be in a very large Indian grocery store. I'm here in Edison, New Jersey at Patel Brothers, the stop and shop of Indian cooking. And I have a little list that I've been making all week of things that I need to get. I'm very excited because we don't have this in Manhattan. All right. There's all kinds of options for green chilies. I don't think I've ever seen piles of green chilies like this before. Just like so like one of these would kill some of my friends. One, look, be afraid. Be very, very afraid. Do you know the potential of spice and heat in this pile right here? Okay, I made a mental note of how much these red lentils were at Fairway in New York. I am trying to be better with my account book. And a pack of this dal was $4.99 for 1 pound. $4.99 for 1 pound in Manhattan. This is a 7-pound bag for $10. That is like $1.15 per pound. $1.15 compared to $4.99. I'm buying this because I eat so much dal. Check out my video on my channel for how I make dal. I make it every week. So good for you, delicious, nutritious. This is where you should be buying your masoor dal. Patel Brothers in New Jersey. Oh, there's ulandu too. Oh my God, so many. The problem is like living in the Manhattan apartment. Where do you store all this stuff? One of my favorite types of videos to watch on YouTube are Tamil cooking videos. Yarl Samail is one of my favorite channels, a lady in Jaffna. And there was a video that I watched last week on how to cook bitter gourd, and she added Jaggery powder, which is a type of sugar, to the curry. And I had never heard of Jaggery powder. They have it here. It's a type of sugar, but I know what Jaggery is. I've only ever seen it in lumps and cakes. But here's the powder. It's kind of like just brown sugar. Interesting. No. Onward. I did not intend for this to happen, but all the things on my list are pea things. Parapu, which is the orange dal. Papadum. Papadum. Look, there's a whole wall of papadum here. And I like the ones with Hindu gods on them. They have both of my favorite varieties. There is Ganesh, Pillayar, but there's also Lakshmi, the overcomer of obstacles, or the goddess of wealth. Which one do we choose? I know, both. Moving down my list of pea things, we have papadum, we have parapu. Next on the list, paratha. So the first time I was in Patel Brothers in Queens, I discovered the most delicious frozen paratha I've ever had. They have potato on the inside, and they're raw, and you cook them on the fry pan. And I just like gobbled them all up as snacks. And I thought the next time I go to Patel Brothers, I'm stocking up on those frozen aloo parathas, and I need to find them. And there's just so much to choose from. So they don't, shockingly, have the brand that I'm looking for that I found in Queens. I think they were like made locally in New York. So I'm gonna try something else. Why not? That's what I do. Because who knows, I might like these ones. Aloo means potato in Hindi. So these are frozen, uncooked. It's a big pack of, it's 3 pounds. So 16 parathas for $8.99. Let's see. I hope I like you. A successful mission to Patel Brothers here in Edison, New Jersey. If you're in the area and you need some specialty goods for your next Indian meal, or whether you just want to be more economical about buying things like black pepper and cumin seeds, highly recommended. They've got everything in there. Well, they don't have everything in there. Like my favorite brand of lime pickle, they don't have King's or Niru. That's why I have to go to Toronto for that stuff. But most things they have.